Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to lock Telegram, Messenger and Line. So now I can open, now I can open Messenger, I can open Line, I can open. So now I want to lock this application. Okay, go to Telegram and click setting and then click privacy and security and then click password and Face ID. Turn on password, include your password, the same password, and auto lock. I like 1 minute after I leave. Okay, and then Messenger, you click your profile on here and then click privacy and then app lock, click app lock and open. I click 1 minute, 1 minute later after leave. Okay, and then Line, go to home, and then setting over here and privacy, you see password lock, open, include your password, this application can use Face ID because my phone can use Face ID. Okay, you wait around 1 minute, you can open, you see I'm use my Face ID, so I click open Messenger, you see Face ID because you see it sees my Face ID. Line, you see. Okay, hope you guys understand about this video and hope you like my channel, subscribe for me. Okay, thank you everyone, bye bye.